Sometimes when working with our assemblies, we've got the same type of component that needs to be assembled over and over again, like in the scenario of this conveyor that I'm building here. Instead of manually assigning the orientation and the mates to put these components together, I can make use of the asset publisher to generate what we call magnetic mates. So I can quickly and easily assemble components together, saving me a lot of time and still getting to my end result quite fast. This is quite accurate because we can set up exactly all the connection points where we want all of those components to connect. If you want to learn more about the asset publisher in SolidWorks, give us a call at AMP CAD/CAM Solutions. We will be glad to assist.